In the heart of Patna, Bihar, a revolution in education is underway. Introducing Edu-E-Gurukul, your gateway to government job success. Under the expert guidance of Circle Officer Rakesh Kumar, our mission is to shape the future of our students, ensuring they are not just prepared, but a step ahead. A comprehensive curriculum, tailor-made for aspirants of government jobs. Blending traditional teaching methods with modern technology, we offer an unparalleled learning experience. With mock tests, interviews, and interactive sessions, we simulate real-world exam scenarios. Edu-E-Gurukul has transformed my preparation. I feel confident and ready. Success stories, one after the other. Be the next. Join us, and let's build a brighter future together. Edu-E-Gurukul, where dreams meet dedication. Enroll now.